Drive shafts here. Time to go put it in. Alright. Gotta put this back in, patch this thing up, send it back down the road. The old cardboard creeper. Slip yoke doesn't want to slip out. Gonna give it a couple of taps. Just tapping it. We're not trying to destroy the transmission. There it goes. Well, almost. This might take you guys a little while. Guys, this is not a slip yoke. This is a stuck yoke. I imagine they're all probably like this. Good luck, guys. This is taking me a while and it's still not out. Finally, success. Starting to drip, so I'm going to slip this new one in. Ended up using this tool to tap the new slip joint in far enough to get that other side bolted up. Get these bolts back in. New drive shaft installed.